We're going to explore some incredible tips and tricks to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Whether you're a budget-conscious decorator or just looking to add a touch of luxury to your space, this video is for you. The first step to achieving that expensive look is decluttering and organizing your space. A clutter-free environment automatically feels more luxurious. Invest in some storage solutions, like stylish baskets or decorative boxes, to keep things neat and tidy. Next up, let's talk about furniture. You don't need to splurge on high-end pieces to create an expensive look. Instead, focus on a few statement furniture items. A chic coffee table or an elegant accent chair can instantly elevate the entire room. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. Invest in strategic lighting fixtures to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider stylish pendant lights, floor lamps, or even some LED strips to add that extra touch of luxury. Art is a fantastic way to make a statement in your home. You don't need to spend a fortune on original pieces. There are plenty of affordable prints and DIY options. Also, don't forget about decorative accents like vases, sculptures, or candles. And there you have it, simple yet effective tips to make your home look expensive on a budget. I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration.